Hello! In this video, we will teach you how to request your asylum certificate or certificate of international protection. You can complete this process for yourself or also for your children. You must have the PDFs of the NIEs or foreign identity numbers prepared for all family members requesting the asylum certificate. Beyond this, you only need your phone number and your NIE. Let's start by opening your search engine and typing Registro General Electrónico or General Electronic Registration. Within the results, we look for the one that is called Registro Electrónico Red Sara, or Electronic Registration through the SARA network, and we click on that. We scroll down to where it says Nuevo Registro, or New Registration, and we click that, and then Accede con tu clave PIN, or log in with your PIN. It offers you many ways of entering, with a digital certificate, with a PIN code, a permanent password. We will do it with the clave PIN, or the PIN code, since most people have that. First, we must introduce our NIE number, which starts with Y or X. Then it asks us to write the support number, or número de soporte, which is on the top and to the right, starting with the letter E. Once this is done, we click on the blue button, Continuar, or Continue, and on Obtener PIN, or Obtain PIN. Then, a new window will open up from the application clave PIN, and it will give us a PIN we can copy or memorize. We then return to the previous page and write it where it says PIN. We then click Acceder, or Log In. There, it asks us to identify ourselves. We mark Interesado, or Applicant, since this is for ourselves. Then it will ask us for a lot of information: first name, last name, second last name, street, the type of address, the country, the province, the city, the postal code, phone number, and email address. We will fill out all these boxes. Be careful to put the email address correctly, because this is where you will receive all future messages. Click I want to receive notifications by email, and you can also put that you want to receive them by SMS or text message. But it is easier to receive them by email. Datos del organismo de la entidad, or data of the body or entity. Let's open that. And we click on Search Assistant. We mark the administration that we need, which is the administration of the state. The ministry is the Ministry of the Interior. We search this, and then we search by the name or code of the organization or body. For the asylum certificate, the code is EA001919. And that's where the General Subdirectorate for Institutional Relations and International Protection Information appears. Click there. Now we have to fill out the data for the application. For asunto, or matter, we put certificado de asilo. For expone, or explain, you have to say what you are looking for or wanting. For example, I need the asylum certificate to complete X process, which could be for the minimum vital income or for another type of help. And here you explain that you are seeking the asylum certificate because it has been requested in that process. And what are you applying for? The certificate. In this box, you can put if the certificate will be only for you or also for your children. If it is only for you, put you are seeking the certificate of asylum for myself, and then put your name and NIE. If you are requesting it also for your children, put first your name and NIE, and then the name and NIE of the first child, then that of the second, until you have done so for the whole family. And now we click Siguiente, or Next. And now it asks us to attach documentation. Here is where we have to attach the NIE PDFs of all of the people applying for the asylum certificate. Now we go to Examine Documents. We click there. Then you go to the Media selector, or the folder where you have all of your documents organized. Click the document, and then it will be attached to your application. You have to do this as many times as you have files to upload. Then down below, Summary of Attached Documents will appear so you can see all the documents you have uploaded. Then click Next. Now we have nearly arrived at the signature. Here you can see everything you have written. Check that everything is correct. And then you confirm the information, and you can then sign. It will then ask again for your PIN code. A message will pop onto the screen. You again write your NIN number in the box above, and the support number in the box below. Remember that the support number is the one that is above and to the right that begins with E. Then click Continue, and on Obtain PIN. The application of Clave PIN will open, and a message will pop up. Copy the PIN and paste it in the corresponding box. Then click Access. Here you will receive the registration details, and now you can upload the proof. Click Return to Download and save it in Tus Documentos or Your Documents. You will receive an email or SMS if you marked that box, informing you the application was submitted correctly and it was sent to the corresponding authority. You should wait 1 week or a maximum of 2 weeks, and then you will receive another notification which will tell you the document is available to download. You can download it through Deju. When you receive the notification, you can then consult our video, How to Open Notifications with Deju, and download files. This is how you will be able to download your Certificate of Asylum or International Protection. I hope this has been helpful.